back to my channel. Today we are going to make some Jamaican style pepper shrimp, okay? And this is one of my favorite side street food in Jamaica. You know, every time, especially when I'm in Spanish Town, I'm always stopping by, yes, to get me some shrimp, some peppered shrimp. So today I'm going to show you guys how I make it, and it is simple, really a simple meal. We have shrimp right here. This is what makes the perfect pepper shrimp. We also have some seasoning right here. We have hot pepper, Scotch bonnet. We have thyme, scallion, more pepper, garlic, and minced onion. This is what we're going to be using, so it's very flavorful. We'll have some fish seasoning, some complete seasoning. I love complete seasoning. And we have some more scallion, green onions chopped for the finish. So now this is a shrimp, and I'm just gonna pour a little bit of oil on the shrimp, just a little bit of oil, so the seasoning soaked into the shrimp. We'll be adding the seasoning. I will add some paprika, some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some black pepper. I'm gonna stir this. Alright guys, we are gonna add a little bit of oil. Then add the seasoning. I'm gonna add the garlic last because garlic is easy to burn. Oh my god, this smells so good. I'm gonna add the shrimp. Alright guys, we are going to add some unsalted butter. So it have that rich, creamy, thick flavor, you know. So this is it. We're gonna sit and wait for the butter to melt. This smells so good. Alright guys. Oh, this smells so good. Look at that. It's getting juicy. smells so good. I'm gonna add a little bit more paprika. No, paprika will give it some color, even though we have food coloring that we are going to add. Some red food coloring. We will be adding some red food coloring. Always add the coloring before you add water, because that way the color will get into the shrimp under the shells and everything will look pretty, the red, and like the shrimp in Jamaica. This smells so good. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. We are gonna let this catch some color. Give it about 5 to 7 minutes, and then it should be good.
And then again, orbiting around and then circle back around to you. Coming back around to you. I'm coming back around. Even on your worst day, love you in the worst way. Circling around for eternity. Going through the motions, you're turning me eternally. Drifting on my own again. Reaching out to hold your hand. I wanna be alone with you. Can I be alone? Can I be alone with you? If you can, take my hand. I promise we'll find love again. Love again.
Alright guys, we are gonna add some thyme to this. Ooh, just some thyme leaves, and then we're gonna sprinkle some green onions. This is all done. It is all done. Looks delicious. We are gonna taste it and see if it's not that spicy. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna finish off with some pepper. It's called peppered shrimp, so therefore it should be hot. Alright, this is it. This is how it looks. We are gonna taste it.